EvieJ here. Welcome back to my channel, and for those that are new, welcome. It's so nice to meet you. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and bell button so you guys will be notified when a new video is up on this channel. So guys, I just want to come through and say that I'm so happy. And the reason for that is because we hit over 100 subscribers. Over 100. So I'm feeling so grateful and honored for you guys believing that my videos are helpful and meaningful to you all. Thank you guys for that. It means a lot to me. So today's video is going to also be a get ready with me, but a get ready with me work tutorial. So if you're wondering how I achieve that, please continue watching. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to start off with moisturizing my face with the Paula's Choice moisturizer. Now that I've finished moisturizing, I'm about to go in and start my brow. It's the NYX Professional Brow Pencil. Next, I'm about to go in with that e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer to conceal underneath my brows. Next, I'm about to conceal the top of my brow. Okay guys, now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to go in the Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. Start off with this as my transition color. Okay, next I'm going in with this shade here. Now, next I will be going in with this shade here. Next, I will be going in with this shimmer. Now I'm getting ready to go back in with this dark brown. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I'm getting ready to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now I'm getting ready to go in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Mahogany. Going back into building more coverage. Now I'm getting ready to go with the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. Dry it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm getting ready to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Now I'm getting ready to go with the I.envy 3D collection. Glue that the eyelash glue that I'm using is Duo. Next, I'm going in with the Juvia's Face Bronzy Bronze in the shade 10. Now I'm about to dust away this powder. Next, I'm about to go in with this MAC blush. I totally forgot the name of it and the back is scratched off. That's how long I probably had this thing. So, yeah. But let's go in with it anyway. Okay, now that my blush is on, the next thing into is the NYX pencil in the shade Downtown Beauty. Now I'm going in with the NYX lipstick. Now I'm going back in with my lip pencil. Now I'm going in with this Kiss Professional Lip Gloss. Now I'm getting ready to go in with my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Okay guys, I got my work outfit on. This is what I wear to work. My face is done. This is my work makeup look tutorial. If you like this look, please comment. Please, your comments are important to me. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see any more of my videos, please continue to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you.